How you doing, everybody? Paul Peroni here, Sales and Service Manager with Charthouse Marine Electronics. Standing here today on the 2017 55 Viking that's brand new to our customer. He's brought that boat to our facility here, South Jersey Yacht Sales, which we're a division of, to have some major upgrades done. One thing we're going to be doing is taking this dash and removing all the current electronics. We're going to completely glass the dash in, eliminating the cabinet that's here. We're going to move some stuff around and completely customize the dash to his liking. We're going to come back with some new updated electronics, some Garmin 9000 series units, 4 of them, 2 19-inch screens and 2 10-inch screens. We're going to be putting a FLIR M364C night vision and low light camera on the HardTop, as well as a Psionics digital camera. Something else we're going to install is a Simrad SY60, the brand new SY60 sonar. All right, so one of the major projects we did to this boat was a reconfiguration of the dash. We used our in-house fiberglass shop to help us accomplish that. We removed the old cabinet that was here, all the old electronics came out, and we came back with Garmin 9000 series units. These new displays from Garmin feature their ultra high definition 4K resolution. They also have a 7 times faster processing than the previous model, and they have Garmin's BlueNet ultra fast networking. One of the other projects our fiberglass shop did was they hinged this lid for us. So now the owner has the ability to open these without that sticking up as high as it used to. So one of the projects we're doing on this boat is changing over all of the existing lighting to LumaShore Lux controlled lighting, including these underwater lights. Lumishore Lux control lighting, it gives you an infinite options for color palette. You can change any color by using the slider here that you want. You can also go into preset colors. It'll also give you the option to do preset scenes. So if you wanted to set up for 4th of July and do red, white, and blue, Christmas red and green, you could preset all those in here. It's all programmable. All right, so one of the other upgrades we've done to this boat is we added a PS70 transducer. The boat already had an existing CM599 low, high, wide transducer. It now has the PS70 transducer, which will give him live view and triple beam sonar. And then we also added the Simrad SY60 sonar. It's delivery day, and the new Simrad SY60 sonar just showed up. Let's see what we got, Rick. This would be the new SY60 transducer. And this should be the whole unit. One of the things we had done for this owner was with the Simrad SY60 sonar, we had a custom mount made for him. We found a company that 3D prints these cradles. They couple that with the ram mount and a sea sucker. Sea sucker gives him the option to mount this anywhere he wants on the dash. With the cradle mount, you can also pop it off and sit back to have control of the sonar. So another thing we did on this boat was we changed out the existing television to a new high definition 4K TV. We piped everything that's on the bridge, viewable electronically, down to this television. As you can see right here, we have the Simrad SY60 sonar up currently. You can view radar, plotter, fish finder, PS70, all that stuff right here at your screen. We also piped the same information down to his captain's stateroom.
We need trolling speed.
Trolling speed.